Today's episode is Ganon for Hire number 39, Frank Electronic. Hello guys, this is Miguel Perez here, and before I start this video, I would like to say this Ganon for Hire. Ganon, he already have a plastic surgery. Look, Ganon, he already want to get a plastic surgery like a game sequel, like The Legend of Zelda. Oh, I got it. I am updated to Ganon for Hire. Ganon, he got a character like The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time on Nintendo 64. Oh, I know I got it. Let's start this show right now. Oh my freaking god, I can't freaking believe you have been very upset to do. I am absolutely done. I am so sick of this entire my life. I am so now I am very bad for getting stupid reason at all. I am so angry for it. It's ultimately bad. I am going to cancel it right now. Wow. They're always nice try. Scream is over. Now it's time to get an ultimate bad. Anyway, Eric Cartman has been fired for Burlington store. Oh, I think I got idea. There is also one to get a super ultimately done with you. Anyways, I got fired for 38 times in a row. Which gonna work next? I know! I will get a job, Frank Electronic. Also, I am going to trip down to Grove, Illinois. I'll just find it to the job. Let's going to enter right now. Good morning. Welcome to Frank Electronic. How can I help you today?
I would like a, hey, are you guy who work at Burger King?
No, that other guy who work at Burger King.
Okay.
So anyway, how can I help you today?
I would like Samsung Galaxy 8, please.
Okay, that will be $800.
But I got more than $2,000.
Well, that means you can get a Samsung Galaxy 8. Go to baby store and go buy baby toys when it comes cheap.
Then I going to Best Buy store.
Good morning. Welcome to Frank Electronic. How can I help you? I would like to give a LG LCD TV, please. I'm sorry, but rule out a LG LCD TV while other kinds of TVs. No, but I see some TV and LG LCD TV right there in the TV section. They are just made of the baby bottles. Now get out the store. Now. Please go attack by pit of sharks. Good morning. Welcome to Frank Electronic. How can I help you today? I would like to give a PlayStation 4, please. I'm sorry, but rule out a PlayStation 4. No, but I see some PlayStation 4 right there in the game section. It's fake. Get out of here or else I am going to call the police on you. Go get hit by the tank engine. Good morning. Welcome to the Frank Electronic. How can I? Hey you! Get the hell out of this store right now! Because I don't want to destroy Mexican movie logo of this store. Get out right now or I'm going to call you police. Ganon, you're fired. Why? Banzai Bill, why you got fired? Because you have been rude to the customers. Now, leave this store right now. But, no but. Now get out of here right now or else I'm going to call you police. Man, Ganon's such a very mean person. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and please push notifications. This is Miguel Perez, signing off.